So today, I just want to talk about forgiveness because recently I've been trying to understand what exactly forgiveness is, and sometimes we find it so difficult to go through this process. But if we understand the true meaning and advantage of forgiveness, it is something which is very fulfilling and rewarding for us. Now here's the quote that I found which fits perfectly to what I want to say about forgiveness. To forgive is the highest, most beautiful form of love. In return, you will always receive untold peace and happiness. So, to really understand this quote, beautiful quote here, which makes so much sense in the spirituality form of our existence and beliefs and things that we talk about every day, but we really don't understand it. Yes, I'm going to give you this quote and you're going to say, oh, it's beautiful, but does it make sense to me? So today, something just came into my mind and I felt like, wow, that makes things so much easier for me to understand and can be used in practicality to convey this message to others. Because we live in a time era where everything is very calculated based upon what am I going to get out of this, right? What am I going to get out of this? Now, if you see, when you forgive, you get untold peace and happiness. And that is very true. How can I explain this to you otherwise? I can say, let's consider you living in America. When you live in America, you have to have a good credit score in order to get whatever you want. You go to buy a car, to buy a house, to buy anything you want, which is a little more than anybody can buy, but you can use your credit score to get a good financing rate and APR and get whatever you want, right? That's how we judge our everyday life based upon a good credit history. So this is just like a good credit history too. Now, if you believe in God, universe, the higher energy, the higher source, however you want to say that. I'm not very specific about any religion because I feel God is itself a huge religion. There's no other labels you can put on it. So, if I want to elevate myself on this planet in a higher sense of energy, I consider myself to have a good credit score, right? I need to have a good credit score so that I can get all this untold peace and happiness that I'm talking about here. So what does forgiveness got to do with this? Forgiveness is whenever you forgive, you raise your credit score. That's what I want to say here. Whenever you forgive, you get untold peace and happiness, raising your credit scores, raising your energy level to get closer to whatever that higher source of energy we're seeking every day of our life, and be very happy, be very peaceful without any reason. Just having a great credit score in elevating my energy to be closer to that higher energy, which is unconditional love, unconditional happiness, joy, happiness, just all the positivity in this world that we all seek for. Love, beautiful. Just having that feeling of love around you, even though you don't have anybody in your life like I do. But I feel that energy around me constantly. So, again, to specify in a little bit more detail, when I forgive somebody, okay, I am thankful for the person that caused me that pain and gave me a chance to forgive, because as soon as I forgive, my energy level rises above and beyond. And I am so happy that I did that. And again, my energy level raised up, my credit score just went up, and now I have this untold peace and happiness around me that is magical. Very magical. Truly, purely a sense of amazing joy, peace, and unconditional love. So please, guys, when you get a chance of forgiveness, when you get a chance to forgive someone, go ahead and do it. And feel that love, feel that joy around you that cannot be expressed in a manly term or language. It's just beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. It's just something I wanted to share. And I love when I say, raise your credit score and get whatever you want. Raise your energy and enjoy the untold peace and happiness said by Robert Mueller right here. Thank you for listening.